kakong Magdalene Saukmi Maulong kabadai ke MDC na Umsning constituency uba Martin M. Dangu speaker barim jong kasorkar jela uba Manstodi Nongrem CEM barim ka KHADC lembat ki wei ki riurang ba kila penyaso mentagasngi bat ka parti NPP u Konrad Sangma haba keren hakane kasngi ula ong baka jingwan penyaso ajong kini ki riurang ba bat longkmi syaka parti kadai namar baka NPP ka trei da kabas ngap di kasur jong ki MDC MLA bat kumjuru jong ki pajba ula ong bakermen ru baka parti kandang wan biang hakabor sinsyar HU Hajar Alpulai nakaliang jong uba Preston Tunsong nong yalam ke NPP uba dairu Deputy Chief Minister ulapan pena baka kong Magdalene kanyakun na nongpo constituency uba Martin M. Dangko unyakun na Ranikor constituency uba Preston ulaong baka NPP haka election banwan kanom duna ya ka live HR live lai seat bat ulaong ru baka NPP kanom iben ya ki parti ki baya senrop lang hak ni ka sorkar MDA
Kumta kamut penong bangin ibeng laningin bread ben ya kini ki coalition partners jongi tenrei ka commitment jongi ka yayat tenrei ka bangikwa na kaliang ka parti NPP bangin poi sa katong bat kata kalong bangin duna ya ka live UR live ulai seat bangin yo hapo ka jela mekla jongi menin kasngi i chief minister balong national president bat nga ngidang yawan nang the na po Manipur election ngani thu ipiang the kan sadon ke jingkela ka bajur ha ka ba imat nginum dunai ka kasau kan san sit nyo u arjar khatnyau nyo tang sau sit teringa ong pi menta ka ganti ke jinge kun kolong ha pedeng ka NPP bat ka BJP te kata ka de ka jing klan jong ka parti NPP jongi hamne hapo northeastern state barok oi hapo ke jelam jong u national president jongi bolong chief minister hapok jilam jong uba Konrad Sangma dengan kwa ban ong hakani kapor ni pediang sngau bahaya pi kineki leaders kabang suka ban ong ya pi pendiat kan mau bah pelajuan sega parti pi ong iba danggo pi ong ya itong mak niladon lepa ke jing ya penbe tang balong ka prosedur ka saya ka jigi pembe kelong ngan syut hul pa yapi tambah ka saya na blok bai kong mat idia kun na nongpo ba ka ba iba dangko idia kun na po raniko tambah ka bango gini ki arteli ki konsensi na kwa ban batay pa ngin hap ban restructure ya ka blok NPP barokaway tengah kerpat i presiden juga state president Dr. Khaluki bin penmi ikoda hakaba kin restructure ya ki block committee jongki bat barin bat batamai ban ya donlang kena begin nang ya klain ngatai kata de kabudon kamya tengah kerpat ya i presiden badon burom jungi i Dr. Khaluki bin saleh ekodon kam tam hakini ki arteli ki konsensi kumbang ong pi ka pengili penbek kawai kan nongpo blok bat kabar karani kor blok te kata kade ka bangakwa ban ong na kle jungi sai sin ban ngam ka ban murtin ngap diang sngau bahaya kini ki leaders baro ki arteli kini ki konsensi bat kumju ru na Giant Hills na po kleriat piong nang te na po sutnga ki bayadon lang ha kani ka por ban ya join ba ni ha ka party NPP.
There must be a purpose of why we are here. Political parties will allow you to achieve that purpose. Political parties will allow you or give you the platform that you need. But ultimately, we are here to do good for the people of our state. And we should all remember that that should be the driving force for each and every one of us. And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole. Last 4 years have been very challenging for us. We have faced a large number of difficulties. I remember in the first 6 months of the formation of the government, not a lot of people had confidence that this government would last. A lot of people questioned on whether we'll be able to survive even 1 year. But it is the blessing of God. It is a teamwork that has been there. It is our commitment to the people of our state that has allowed us to be focused on what we are doing and not be bothered by these comments that made from outside, and continue to serve the people of our state. And when the tough situations came, we got tougher. When crisis comes, that's when the true quality of an individual or the true quality of a team comes out. And we faced multiple crises. I don't have to tell you. But more the crisis that came, the tougher we got. The more challenges that came in front of us, the better the team started performing. And we started to move forward. And you must have seen in the last 4 years that this government has taken up issues that nobody ever dared to take up.